Hello everyone, Selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat malam. Today's lesson I will teach how to make headers and footers on Word. Before we start, you need to download the document in the information column. When you open it, don't forget to click Enable Editing to start edit. So let's get started. There are two learning objectives today. First, I will introduce what's header and footer. Second, I will teach how to insert a basic page number. So, what's header and footer? Header is the top section of the page where we usually put the document name here. Footer is the bottom section of page and is usually where we put page number. In order to insert a header, we need three steps. First, double-click the blank space of header, and step 2, type the header, and step 3, tick different first page. So first, double-click the blank space of header, and type the header on it. You will get a header on every page. However, we don't really need a header on the cover page, so we need to modify it. If you want to delete the header on the cover page, tick the different first page, which is in design, and you will see your headers is deleted. Let's check out a video to work on it together. You double-click the header and type your header. And now you'll see your first page have a header. So you tick different first page, and the header on the cover page is deleted. Next, I will introduce how to set on a page number on the bottom of page. We also have three steps here. Step 1. Put the cursors on the footer. Step 2. Click page of number. Step 3. Click bottom of page. So now, step 1. Put the cursors on the footer. And click page number, and click bottom of page, and then click plain number 2. And let's check out the video again to see how it works. Put the cursors on the footer. Click page number and click bottom of page and choose plain number 2. And you have page number now. Just now, I have introduced to set page number in the middle of the bottom page. What if I want to put the page number on the left or right corner? If you want to put the page number on the right corner, you need to double-click the footer, and then click page number, and second click bottom of page, and then click plain number 3. And let's check out the video to see how it works. Double-click the page number, and click page number, and bottom of page, and then choose plain number 3. And you have your page number on the right corner now. Okay, we have finished today's lesson. Hope you enjoy it. And if you have any problems, please comment below. And don't forget to like my video and subscribe PassByValue NCKU. See you next time. Bye bye.